Hello friends, welcome to the question lab. This is part 18. So friends, I have mentioned 130 important international and national days in this video. If you're done with these days, you will not miss a single questions related to this. If you want to examine yourself that how many national and international days you know, then check the videos on this channel which is on questions related to the important days. It's like a quiz, so I have mentioned the link in the description box. So let's get started. Indian Army Day, observed on 15th January. National Youth Day, 12th January. National Tourism Day, 25th January. National Voters Day, 25th January. National Security Day, 4th March. National Women's Day, 13th February. National Science Day, 20th February. National Pet Day, 11th April. National Panchayati Day, 24th April. And National Technology Day is observed on 11th May. National Anti-Terrorism Day is celebrated on 21st May. National Sport Day is celebrated on 29th August. Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on 8th October. National Girl Child Day is celebrated on 24th January. National Unity Day, 31st October. National Epilepsy Day is on 17th November. National Pollution Control Day, 2nd December. Indian Navy Day, 4th December. National Maths Day is celebrated on 22nd December. And National Consumer Day is celebrated on 24th December. World Cancer Day is observed on 4th February. World Radio Day, 13th February. World Day of Social Justice, 20th February. World NGO Day, 27th February. World Hindi Day, 10th January. World Civil Defense Day, 1st March. World Wildlife Day, 3rd March. World Kidney Day, 2nd Thursday of March. World Consumer Right Day, 15th March. And World Sparrow Day, 20th March. World Poetry Day, 21st March. World Day for the Water, 22nd March. World Meteorological Day, 23rd March. World TB Day, 24th March. World Theatre Day, 27th March. World Health Day, 7th April. World Homeopathy Day, 10th April. World Heritage Day, 18th April. World Liver Day, 19th April. And World Book and Copyright Day is on 23rd April. World Malaria Day, 25th April. World Intellectual Property Day, 26th April. World Laughter Day, 1st Sunday of May. World Asthma Day, 1st Tuesday of May. World Athletics Day, 7th May. World Telecommunication Day, 17th May. World Hypertension Day, 17th May. World AIDS Vaccine Day, 18th May. World Milk Day, 1st June. World Bicycle Day, 3rd June. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. World Food Safety Day, 7th June. World Ocean Day, 8th June. World Brain Tumor Day, 8th June. World Blood Donor Day, 14th June. World Wine Day, 15th June. World Refugee Day, 20th June. World Music Day, 21st June. World Hydrography Day, 21st June. And World Population Day is observed on 11th July. World Day for International Justice, 17th July. World Hepatitis Day, 20th July. World Ozone Day, 16th September. World Tourism Day, 27th September. World Heart Day, 29th September. World Rivers Day, 4th Sunday of September. World Habitat Day, 1st Monday of October. World Animal Welfare Day, 4th October. World Post Office Day, 9th October. And World Mental Health Day celebrated on 10th October. World Sight Day is on 2nd Thursday of October. World Students Day is celebrated on 15th October. World Food Day is on 16th October. World Tsunami Day is on 5th November. World Television Day is celebrated on 21st November. World AIDS Day is on 1st December. World Day of the Handicap is on 3rd December. World Energy Conservation Day is on 14th December. World Thrift or Saving Day 30th October, and World No Tobacco Day is observed on 31st May. International Customs Day is on 26th January. International Mother Language Day 21st February. International Women Day is on 8th March. International Day of Actions for Rivers 14th March. International Day of Happiness 20th March. International Labour Day 1st May. International Firefighters Day 4th May. International Nurses Day 12th May. International Day of the Families on 15th May, and International Museum Day is observed on 18th May. International Day for Biological Diversity is celebrated on 22nd May. International Day for Mine Awareness is on 4th April. International Dance Day is celebrated on 29th April. International Day of Yoga is celebrated on 21st June. International Olympic Day is on 23rd June. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is observed on 26th June. International Nelson Mandela Day is on 18th July. International Friendship Day is celebrated on 1st Sunday of August. International Youth Day is on 12th August, and International Literacy Day is on 8th September. International Day of Democracy is celebrated on 15th September. International Day for Preservation is on 16th September. International Day of Sign Language is on 23rd September. International Translation Day 30th September. International Day of Older Persons 1st October. International Day of Non-Violence 2nd October. International Mountain Day 11th December. International Mother Earth Day 22nd April. International Day of Peace 21st September. International Day of the Girl Child 11th October. International Day for the Eradication of Poverty is observed on 17th October. International Day for the Tolerance 16th November. International Anti-Corruption Day 9th December. International Day for Disaster Reduction 13th October. International Day for Preservation of Ozone Layer 16th September. International Day of Cooperatives 1st Saturday of July. International Volunteer Day 5th December. International Migrants Day 18th December. International Men's Day is observed on 19th November. International Coffees Day is celebrated on 1st October. Central Excise Day in India celebrated on 24th February. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated on 9th January. Indian Army Day 15th January. India Republic Day 26th January. Pi Day is celebrated on 14th March. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. Maharashtra Day is celebrated on 1st May. Doctors Day in India is celebrated on 1st July. Indian Independence Day is on 15th August. And Engineers Day in India celebrated on 15th September. So friends, do watch this video often so you don't forget these days. Do like, share, subscribe. Remember, the secret of your future is hidden in your daily routines. Thanks for watching.